Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 1988 to 1995 pickup and Hilux. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift your vehicle. Remove any lines or power harnesses from the work area. Detach your exhaust from the Crossmember's hanger, as well as the parking brake cable from its retaining bracket. Step 3. Begin by removing the crossmember by cutting the welds on the top and the bottom of the crossmember that retain it to the frame rails. You may need to cut the crossmember in half to make it easier to remove. Clean and grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Begin installing the included parking brake line and exhaust hanger brackets. The crossmember features alignment notches for each. Line up the brackets to their respective notches and weld them into place. Push the crossmember in between the frame rails. Note, the parking brake line bracket points towards the front of the vehicle. Following proper welding procedures, fully weld the part into place. Finally, paint the part with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. And you're done.